Hi guys, it's Emma from the future. This vlog started last week, but basically this vlog, my floor in my living room and in my office get done. I now have finished wood floors. I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know that I have launched merch. I've released 3 mugs, which I was hinting about in my last renovation vlog. So I have linked them down below. They're beautiful. They are so me. They're so us. I hope you love them. Yeah, at the moment it's UK only shipping, but I will eventually make it worldwide. But because it's my first launch, I didn't really know how many to order, how it would go down. So yeah, if you're in the UK and you want to get some of my merch, it's all linked down below for you. So also this video is going up tonight. It's the 3rd for me as well as for you. I am obviously not doing Vlogmas, but I am moving. So I am going to be doing much more regular vlogs, renovation vlogs. So yeah, I'm not doing a video every day, as you can probably tell, seeing as I haven't done one yet in December, but there is going to be a lot of moving vlogs and renovation vlogs. So get excited for that. Tell your friends. Make sure to shop my merch, it's all linked down below. So yeah, make sure you get it before Christmas, because I want you all to get it for, you know, presents and things like that. So order it sooner rather than later, because obviously I'm shipping it out. So it can take, you know, a little while for me to get it all sent out because I'm doing it on my own. So yes, the sooner you do it, the better for me. And yeah, thank you so much and enjoy the vlog. Bye. Hello, I'm getting my floors done on Monday. So we need to make sure these floors have nothing on them. So my dad and I have come to empty my office and my living room of just stuff. After being sanded. I feel like my house is falling apart. I've got the floor guy in, the Virgin Media guy in, and then Tesco delivery. Evening guys, so I have just done, as you saw, I just cleaned the fridge. Haven't done the freezer yet, but I just cleaned the fridge because I've done my first food shop. So I wanted a squeaky clean fridge, and I'm putting in the essentials. The essentials in my eyes being various jams, ketchup, milk, you know, the usuals. You guys don't care about my grocery shop. That was the ketchup falling over. You guys care about the floor. So when I first bought this flat, I walked in, and this room, ignore the hideous light, which will go sooner rather than later. Yeah, when I came here, this room sold me, and I loved the ceilings, the massive bay window, which you guys haven't actually seen the full bay window out because we haven't done the curtains like that before, but this is the full extent of the window. The coving, the rose, the fireplace. Ignore the paint swatches, by the way. I think I'm gonna go for this one. The second I got the keys, me and my dad came in here and we ripped up the carpet, and I was praying that there were natural floorboards. But there were floorboards underneath. I have always wanted exposed floorboards in whatever house I've lived in. I've always wanted floorboards. I don't like the look of laminate flooring or anything like that. Like, I prefer natural floorboards so much to laid floorboards like downstairs. Downstairs, they're fine. It was the only option I had when it comes to having hardwood floors. I knew that up here I was not going to compromise. My dad really wanted me to get carpet and I refused. Today they got sanded. Tomorrow they're getting stained. And I'll show you the swatches in a second. But look at this. My floor. So he's filling in all the ridges where the boards have been cut really short and stuff. So he'll re-sand over this tomorrow, go around the edges because he needed to use the smaller machine for the edges. But look at these. Remember that the skirting board is gonna be white. I'm so happy. These look absolutely perfect. Oh my goodness. And then if you come through, it's quite dark in here, sorry. I think they look amazing around the tiles. I got loads of comments on my Instagram today being like, oh my god, you've put tiles down. If you clearly are new here, this was in the first ever renovation vlog. We found these tiles and I was so happy. They're finally gonna have their moment to shine. Bless his heart, he was such a sweet man. He has put me some little swatches. So in the morning, he wants me to choose which one I like the most. I might go for light oak, a little bit darker, but I'm absolutely thrilled. And again, here's the full bay. Oh, and another exciting thing, guys. I have internet now. It's official. I can move in. I have Wi-Fi. Guys, I'm so happy. For me, getting these floors done was a massive step, because once he's varnished, I can move in. I can put my sofa in, big deal. I'm gonna finish putting my food shop away and then I'm gonna head home. I also bought like so many cleaning products. Really fun first shop.
Hello guys, good morning. It's now Tuesday and I'm about to head to the flat. My lovely floor man is finishing my floor. Hopefully today. He might do a second coat of stain tomorrow. It's 7:45. I am knackered, I'm not gonna lie. I have been sleeping so badly for about 6 weeks now. Like, not being able to fall asleep until about 3 AM, not being able to wake up in the morning, and then feeling really guilty because I'm getting up so late. So then I try and get up super early to try and shock my system back into like being tired, so I fall asleep, but I just don't, so then I'm just sleep deprived. I am knackered and I think I'm just a bit stressed, honestly. I think it is just, I go to bed and I'm just thinking about a million different things at the moment. My brain is keeping me awake because it's like, you're not ready to sleep yet, you've got too much to do. I think it's just a little phase that I'm going through right now. I think once a few of my projects are kind of done, then I think I can relax a bit more, but at the moment I do have quite a lot going on. But anyway, this is not a vlog, this is a renovation vlog. So I'm about to head to the flat. Yes, the floor should be finished today, if not tomorrow. I need to get a sofa. I ordered my desk about a month or 2 ago and they keep calling me being like, are you ready for it yet? And I've been like, no, my floor's not down yet, and it's a massive piece of furniture that I would just have to move around. So I'm gonna call them today and be like, can you please deliver my desk, because I need it. I might do a bit of painting, but probably not. Hopefully I won't have to be at the flat for too long, because I've got to get back because I'm going out today. Anyway, right, I need to go.
Okay, here are the swatches in daylight. I think I might be leaning towards light oak. It's funny because light oak looks darker than medium oak. Light oak's just a bit warmer but a bit darker, but medium oak's a little bit cooler. Tim liked dark oak, but that's Tim. He just needs to do the edges around here with the mini one. Right, so in the last renovation vlog, I revealed to you my floor. So my kitchen floor, bathroom floor, basically the whole ground floor. Today, I'm gonna reveal to you the rest of the kitchen. Only thing that needs to be done is the walls need to be painted, and then the kitchen is completely finished, which is amazing. So it means that the hub, the main room you walk into, will be completely finished, which is really good, obviously. Without further ado, here is the kitchen. You guys have seen the floor. I did my first shop, as you can see. I've got my microwave in. We went for a dark, look at my nails, still haven't got them sorted. We went for a darker stain for the worktops, and I am so happy that we did. It was a bit of an accident. I wanted something rustic, and I wanted it to be, I mean, initially I was like, oh no, it's too dark. It's not too dark, it's absolutely
perfect.
I'm genuinely so thrilled with how this has come out. Here is the breakfast bar. These obviously aren't the chairs we're having. They just go with this table, and we had to move it for the floor guy to do the floor. It looks amazing. I think that the dark really grounds it. If I had a light countertop, I think it would look a bit wishy-washy, whereas the dark colour just boom, it makes it look really intentional. I don't know, I just think it looks beautiful. And obviously the handles are on, so we've got brass cup handles for the drawers, and then we have these mini versions of the main door handles on here. We need to get the lights fitted, the LED lights fitted under here as well, and then the walls just need to be painted, and I'm going for this shade here, just an off-white. I want it to be really bright. Oh, I didn't show you my favourite part. Look how incredible this bit looks. Now it's dark, doesn't that look so amazing? I am thrilled. I love it so much. I was gonna do like a massive like kitchen reveal, which is probably what I'll call this title. Kitchen and floor reveal. This is a big vlog. I've been tiptoeing around the kitchen, like trying to not get it in and stuff like that, and honestly this is the only place where I can sit down and do some work while the builders are here, so I kind of need to show you the kitchen so that I can be here. So that is the kitchen. They use one of my softbox lights because the light in my office doesn't work, so they have to use that, which is hilarious. I'm keeping this fridge, which is the one that they left. Eventually I will upgrade it, but it's a perfectly functional fridge. My dad just gave me his opinions on the stains. My dad and I, we have very different tastes. Sometimes they line up, but most of the time what I want, he definitely does not. I need to do some work, so. Hi guys, it's Monday. Making noises. It's Monday and I've just come up to the flat. It's actually the day that you're seeing this video. I'm uploading it in like an hour, but I just realized I didn't like really film anything, and I also haven't falling again, haven't shown you the floor. Here it is, guys. The floor is down. This is a more accurate color. I love it. I love it so much. This light is making it really yellow, but the floor is done. And if you go in here, the floor is, oh my goodness, the floor is covered because my dad, my dreamboat of a dad, he came in and painted. So yeah, we have got, he's painted the walls white in here. This is my office. We are not 100% sure what to do about the skirting yet, whether we want to paint it or not, so I'm not gonna do it yet because it's one of those things where it's like you can paint it but you can't unpaint it, you know? So we're gonna leave it like this for now. Eventually I think I will do a slightly different color around here so that you can see the coving a little bit better, because it's so beautiful. It's such a shame that it gets a bit lost. Right now I just need to move in. It needs to be done before Christmas. So on Thursday my desk is arriving, so that's why in here needed to get done, so the desk can go here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the finished floor. I can obviously only show you it in here, and it isn't daylight, but it's looking pretty beautiful. My Christmas tree has also arrived. I got it from Balsam Hill. I went for the mountain pine. I think I went for an 8-foot big old Christmas tree, which is gonna go in front of that window there. That is the update. The floor is done. This room we need to paint. I think gonna go for this screen all over. So it's gonna be dark, but so cozy. I'm really excited about it. In here looks beautiful, nice and bright. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Nice and quick, nothing like, these are big changes, but they're like changes that took a few days, so I don't have loads of things to show you, but I hope you guys like the floor. I'm so happy. I can't wait to start filling these rooms now. And yeah, there's going to be loads of renovation vlogs because it's Vlogmas, so I'm moving this month, so I'm going to be doing kind of like regular moving vlogs, maybe a couple a week, a few a week, just to do my kind of own version of Vlogmas. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you probably in a few days.